Hello, my name is Donovan, and welcome back to another video with Turbo Details. In this video, I'm going to be featuring a few products sent to us by SuperClean, actually. They sent us a variety of products for multiple different purposes, and we only got to feature a few of them in this video, but we really do appreciate it. Ben from SuperClean, if you're out there watching, perhaps. So the first product we have here is the Super Clean Aerosol Degreaser. We used this on door jambs alone, mostly because of the spray. We didn't really want to get it on all the interior plastics, but also we just wanted to be careful because we know this stuff is pretty strong. We know it works. We've used Super Clean in the past, mostly on the tougher plastics on the interior like this. Now, this is another product they sent. It's an all-wheel and tire cleaner. We haven't gotten to try this out yet, but I will put it in a video with an update. This is the Super Clean Floor Dry. It's said to work pretty well, but we haven't gotten to try it yet, mainly because we were at a customer's house and we didn't want to make a mess on their driveway or anything. Now, this is just regular Super Clean classic stuff. It is pretty strong, so I wouldn't necessarily recommend doing what I did here, using quite a bit of product on an interior plastic, but this piece in particular was kind of already beat up, and I wasn't too worried about it scratching it or anything. Now, this is the Super Clean Foaming Degreaser. I kind of did use a lot of the product here, mainly because this was a pretty bad floor mat, and I just wanted to make sure it would all soak in and suds up and soak up as much dirt as possible, so I didn't have to put as much elbow grease into it. But here's the process of cleaning it. So at this point, I'm thinking, hey, this product's pretty easy to use. Why don't I try it on the other floor mats? And I genuinely do think I like this product for floor mat cleaning. I'm sure I could use a little bit less product if I just sprayed it down with water beforehand, but this alone worked pretty well. So thank you again to Ben from Super Clean for getting in contact with us, and I hope we can do more work together in the future. I'll be sure to review and feature the other products you sent us in videos in the future. Thank you for watching.